everybody, it's Valerie here from the All Toy Collector channel, and today I have all of the Toy of the Year top picks, and all of these were given to us from the Toy Foundation. You can go to TOTYAwards.org and vote for your favorite toy. First, I wanted to show you the L.O.L Surprise Chalet. It's a winter disco, and this is the L.O.L toy of all of the L.O.L toys. I've never seen anything so big. So there are 95 surprises. There are 15 feet of lights all around the house. And look over here, there's a chimney, and it really does push out snow. Look at that, that's so cool. And over here, there are exclusive families that you can only get with this winter disco. So if you love L.O.L, this is definitely the toy you would want. Next, I have a toy for toddlers. This is one of the best toys for kids 2019, so it won some awards. It's really cute because it's a tree house, and little toddlers can carry it around, and it closes on its own, and then you can pop it open too. So when I was a kid, they had a toy like this, and this seems like a vintage toy remake. It includes some little woodsy animals, a car, and some furniture. Then there's this toy which my 8-year-old is super excited about. It is the Colossal Crash Hot Wheels set. You can set it up a lot of different ways. It includes 2 different cars, and there's a track that you can loop around, and the Hot Wheels cars really can crash. This track is really big. It's over 5 feet long, and you can fold it up for easy storage. And then here's another toy my kids have always wanted. It's a Beyblade Slingshock. This is the Cross Collision Battle Set. We've actually played it already. We set it up and see how awesome it is. It's super easy to put together, which is an added plus. And then, alright, so I think we are ready for a battle. There are 3 different ways to win. If your player piece comes apart, the other opponent gets a point. And if you get stuck in one of these little trap sections right here, then the other player gets a point. And third, if you stop first, the other player gets a point. So let's see, we'll do best out of 3. Ready, set, go. Oh, I knocked you. Woo! Okay, it looks like yes. Okay, so I won because I am still spinning. So I get 1 point. Okay, ready, set, go. Oh, I won. You fell in the hole back here. So I get another point. Now we'll play one more time. On your mark, get set, go. Pretty cool. I do not know who's going to win this one.
You will.
Wait. Oh no, that was so close. So I won all 3. Yay! Yay for All Toy Collector! Now my 4 and 6-year-old really wanted to try out this toy, so we set it up. It's Emergency Services HQ. So what's really cool is that it includes a road and then train tracks, and it's a police station and a firehouse in one. So here it is down here. Here's the police station, and it includes a police car. Right over here, the windshield pops open. There's the police officer. And these do make lights and sounds. And back here is the prisoner. And these can connect together with the train cars too, which is cool. So you can drive on the road, or you could have the fire truck on the train track. Over here is the police station, and there's stairs and a jail. Over here is the firehouse, and like we can have the fireman over here, and like he can hold the hose and put out a fire. Alright, so Cranky can go right here. And he picked up some blocks of gold. This frozen castle I was super excited to put together. because Frozen 2 is coming out super soon. And I used to have the Frozen 1 castle. This is another castle made by Hasbro. And this one is made especially for Frozen 2. I have my dolls inside up here. There are some pictures which I didn't see in Frozen 1. A cute one with Elsa and Anna when they were little. I don't know who this is. Maybe we will find out in Frozen 2. So here's Kristoff. He's warming up by the fire. And then right up here, I want to show you this. It's like a light up disco. And it's like an elevator too. It can light up the room. You can also attach your dolls right here. It looks like Elsa is ready to sing a song, and she can go down below and show off the living room and her bedroom over here. So all of the furniture came with this set. There's a sofa over here, a nice vanity. Elsa's bed is really cool. I like the decorations, and this part is attached to the wall of the dollhouse. There we go, she can take a nap, and she has a cute little Frozen blanket. Now she can come over here and say hi to Anna. For some reason, I don't know why this is in here, but Anna has a kitchen and a sink in her room right now. Anna's bed is like Elsa's, only pink. Now we'll have Anna go downstairs. Here is the throne. Elsa should be sitting here, but there's Anna. And then over here we have a kitchen. This table flips, so it looks like there are some delicious cookies. They flip it, and there is a turkey dinner. And then we can add the kitchen sink down below too. Now, last but not least, there is a room with a piano. Elsa can play Let It Go or any new songs from Frozen 2. This dollhouse is huge, and it does seem pretty sturdy, sturdier than the last Frozen castle. And I do enjoy it more. I do like that there is an elevator and that lights up, which is pretty cool. And it seems like there's more useful space in this castle too. Now I feel like there have been a lot of sci-fi type of toys coming out, and here's one made by Playmobil. It's imaginary play of space. It looks like Playmobil landed on Mars. What's really cool here is that there's an astronaut, and it looks like she's growing a garden. Then there's a guy in a spacesuit over here. And it looks like there is a command center. It looks like also this modular can break off into looks like this modular is able to break off into different sections. And there is even a spaceship. Last but not least, here is the city fire station. This is made out of wood and plastic. It is similar to the Emergency Services HQ. Only this one does not include train tracks, but it does have a helicopter and a fire truck and even a cute little Dalmatian dog. It does light up and play music too. My kids are super excited to play with this. Well, I think that the toys this year look a lot better than previous years. There's tons of toys that are super awesome, and you can vote at TOTYAwards.org for your favorite toy. Well, thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe and check out more videos.